Today we are helping you to stay in tune with your APIs. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. Dealing with APIs can be a pain in the neck. It eats into the developer's time, and instead of writing a code, they have to manually write and update docs, provide integration support, spend hours on dev meetings, double-check if everything is up and running. That's awful. Treblle is a software development kit that you add on top of your API. It makes it super easy to understand what's going on with your APIs and the app that uses them. Spend your time writing great code and not providing support, writing documentation, and jumping on calls every hour. Treblle is extremely easy to set up. It takes less than 5 lines of code to add it to any existing or new APIs. Treblle also supports 12 different languages, and all of the SDKs are available on GitHub. Treblle saves 60% of developers' time by automating processes they are forced to do manually. No more writing and updating documentation, no need for endless meetings between developer teams and customers. All developers need to do is what they do best: code, and let Treblle track everything with real-time monitoring and immediate alerts. And the great news is that PitchGround launches a lifetime deal for Treblle, so go check that out on pitchground.com. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.